her first performance as a Bruin inside Poly.
She's doing a Yurchenko layout full, which starts from a 9.95. But it really is textbook.
Hall was hot on this event end of the year. Her last 5 were all 9.85 or better.
Yurchenko 1.5, almost finding the landing there, and this time she's doing a tucked Yurchenko 1.5.
Let's go, G!
9.925 is her all-time best. She's been an Olympic champion.
And on this event, she's training 3 vaults. She's sticking with a very easy Yurchenko layout full.
Her season high was a 9.8625 that came at the NCAA semis after she had missed 9 meets with an elbow injury.
Wow. She's doing a good job here, making sure she's getting those handstands, which is what the judges will be looking for. And
changed her dismount, right? Used to be a double layout, and Chris Waller, the coach there, told me before, yeah, she's upgraded it. Pacific Rim Championship, she had a silver in the all-around and on the bars.
Nice double layout.
Wow.
When I spoke to head coach Valerie Condos-Field earlier today about who's going to be the new leadoff, without hesitation, she said Nia Dennis, who's a freshman.
So she comes in with some high credentials as well.
I really love the way that she works beam. She absorbs it so nicely, but she's so solid when she hits her land. Savvy wasn't originally slated to be in this beam lineup. We were supposed to see Christine Peng Lee, the 6th-year senior, but she's had some knee soreness, and you know, for her being her 6th year and all the knee troubles that she's had, they really don't want to push it in the Meet the Bruins. She doesn't need the experience competing, and it's really great experience for Savvy.
Look at that. Fish is back, Felicia Hano.
Huge double layout.
Well, you'll see a lot of UCLA touches from the past. The Bahardwaj on the bars, you'll see that. The Hama Flares mount on the beam. These are all UCLA athletes.
Definitely, and this is a very intense floor routine, so get ready.
Part of the German national team.
Stuck full in, huge E-pass to begin our floor routine. It's another athlete that's hoping to do all around this year. Big double layout, too much power, actually went out of bounds a little bit there.
We're gonna see a little moonwalk in this, aren't we?
I think we're gonna see a lot in this routine, Jim.